Good morning! I'll show you the steps how to assemble a double pole telescopal clothes truck. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, still not yet open. I'll open this and teach you how. After unpacking here how it looks. So I paired them together. I put together all this stuff together. Okay, to be much more easier to make. So I'll assemble right now. Okay, just a moment. Here you could see the four wheels here. Just get it there. Okay, I'll assemble this right now. Okay. Then you could see the here the where you could put the wheels here. Just insert it here in the hole there. Okay. Here, insert it here. Here, just push it here. See, it looks this way. See, it's like this. All the wheels here, insert it here. Okay. That's the first step you'll do. Now the second step is get this hole and insert it here. Okay. Here. The next step. So it looks this way. After getting the holes and inserting it. Okay. Then you get the other poles here. Insert it. So you could join them together. Okay. Here at the side. Just insert it here. After inserting that, could insert it here to the other side here. Okay. So it looked this way after joining the poles together. After inserting the poles, get this one. Okay. Get this one. Okay, this thing. Get this two sides, right? And insert it here. Insert it here. And to the other side. Okay, so it will look this way. Then put the poles. Okay. Here. Like this. Okay, so it will look this way, the poles. Then get this knob to lock it. Put this knob here to lock it. So it will lock four sides of the corner. So it's already look that like this, almost done. Okay. This knob is for you to adjust how high you want for this one. Okay. This is for adjusting the poles. Then insert this one to the poles, right? To the four sides. This one. And put the other two poles there. Okay, just insert it. So it's done. You could adjust through here if you want this to be lower. This is for the adjustment. Now you could put your clothes right now. Thank you for watching. So it's done. You see, I already put some of my clothing there. Thank you for watching. God bless.